Crayola Chalk 12 CT in-depth reviews. This product has 4.7 stars based on 2,132 ratings and 188 reviews. 92% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 2% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Bright, beautiful colors. These chalks are my kids' absolute favorite. The colors are so bright." Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Half of chalk was broken. Dislikes, breaks easily, likes smooth when drawing. That's it.
Let me take you down a winding purple brick road, past a dandelion dino and an indigo toad. This is Susie, she likes violet flowers, and a Granny Smith hummingbird with special powers.
Zap, 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 zap. Cody likes to draw a red violet boat with yellow orange monsters and a sky blue moat. 1, 2, 3, 4. With 48 colors you just can't lose. Use one, use all, if you so choose.
I'll make a green windmill with a mac and cheese spinner, then I'll make an alien.
Time for dinner! Get outside, the only outdoor chalk with 48 bright, bold Crayola colors.